Any question whatsoever, do let me know. Okay, I'm from Sri Lanka. I watch your videos, sir. Very helpful. Thank you. Appreciate that, and keep watching and keep sharing it with those who are actually looking for that information. And it certainly helps. Like if you guys are loving that content, it's really helpful if you guys will hit the like button, because this is the indication for me like that you guys are really loving that content, and that makes me, it's a motivation point for me to make more content. So it certainly helps like if you guys are gonna like videos. There's a question. I'm from, okay, हेलो सर, मैंने डिप्लोमा इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन से करूँ बट अभी मैं आगे क्या करूँ एंड SCADA पर आगे कुछ करना है. It's there's a question like the person, what's his name, Mishra, is saying that he have diploma in instrumentation and control. He's asking for suggestion like what he should do next. I would definitely say that if you have instrumentation and control diploma, then it certainly helps. Like I have shared many courses that are actually from the top rank companies, like including Siemens course, and there are instrumentation and control related courses. And definitely I'm planning to share more. So there would be session about something else. What I'm planning to say is like there would be sessions about free trainings on the cloud and cybersecurity. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. I would be sharing more content related to different fields. So if you guys are mm, watching this content for a long time, you might be aware that I am making more content not related to only control system. I'm sharing the opportunities with those who are actually freshers. There's a training video. There's a last video if you have watched that video. So that covers, if you guys are interested about internship opportunities, Microsoft have, you know, very good option of online internship. Anybody who is free in these days can get a benefit from that opportunity. So if you have watched last video, then you might be aware how to actually enroll in Microsoft internship. It's a golden opportunity for those who are actually freshers and don't have any experience, or those who are actually students. It's really helpful. If you guys haven't watched that last video, I recommend you to go back and watch the last video. I would be sharing more opportunities and training site related to cybersecurity, industrial networks, and definitely control system. Those who are actually watching this session, it certainly helps me. If you guys are gonna like this session, that's gonna be a motivation point. Make servo programming videos, sir. Harun, definitely I would make a content on that. Thank you. So those who are actually watching that, appreciate if you guys can hit the like button. And if you have whatsoever question, might not be related to control system, it can be a career guidance, whatever, feel free to ask. Working as a maintenance engineer, control and instrumentation for 5 years, how should I look for opportunities? Okay, that's a very good question. If if you guys have experience of 5 years, it's really important to add certification in your resume, because if you currently in this situation when we have like very less jobs, companies are looking for individuals who are certified. So it's really help if you guys have certification. And I'm sharing free opportunities that are available. There are many free learning opportunities and certification opportunities. If you guys are interested, you can watch latest videos. You will get to know how actually you can get a benefit of free certification from different companies. So if you will watch that content and if you get a certification, that will definitely help you. This is one of the thing that will help you to get a job. Apart from it, there's like, like more you apply, more there is a chance to get a job. And if you're on LinkedIn, this is really very helpful, that if you make a contribution in a better way on LinkedIn. There are two kind of people. One is who are actually just actively applying, and there are a few people who are actually getting a more number of the hits on their profile. You know how LinkedIn mechanism works? If some recruiter is searching for automation engineer, how your profile will stand out? It's not related to what you have in your profile. Yes, it certainly help if you have more number of the skills that what recruiter is looking for, but if you have skills, and might be you might have thousands of other people who have the same skill set, to stand out from the crowd, how LinkedIn mechanism works, most number of the hits which profile gets will be high ranked. So if it certainly help if you contribute in LinkedIn, if you make posts related to control system, and more people like that, and you get a better engagement on your profile, more and more people are actually visiting your profile. By that way, your profile would be very ranked better. You can say that. As an automation engineer, what skills should we have? Technical or non-technical? And which certification memberships are more prominent in automation engineer profile? That's a very good question. Um, Good number of people are actually watching this live session, so it certainly helps. Like if you guys, everybody hit the like button, I would be answering your all questions. I'm here for almost, you can say, more than 40 minutes. So we'll be covering most of your questions. As an automation engineers, okay, as an automation engineer, what skill you have? We will divide your question in different, in you can say two parts. So first part, what skills you need. So skills that are required in like automation field is PLC, DCS, SCADA, HMI. So if you have, let's start with the PLC, then get in HMI knowledge, and then eventually you start learning SCADA side. And then after that, if you have a time, you can switch on to the DCS. So if you guys have knowledge on all platforms, PLC, DCS, SCADA, and HMI, that would definitely help you. And apart from it, looking at the current situation where you have a digitalization everywhere, so there's huge demand of those people who know the connectivity and integration. What I mean to say, connectivity and integration like OPC communication protocols like Modbus, Profibus, CAN bus, and OPC UA, OPC DA. If you guys know that, and if you guys have a knowledge on cybersecurity, there's two type of security. Like one is IT security, one is OT security. IT security is related to like normal IT environment, corporate environment where we have different servers. But when we talk about OT security, it is all about different ball game. Where in OT we have a control system environment, and there we are actually, you know, making sure that our control system, if it is connected to cloud, it's protected. So now this integration mechanism and cybersecurity, in that plays very important role, and there is huge skill gap in that domain. So if you guys have better certification in that domain, it will definitely help you to gain you know good job in current market. There's good number of the people watching this live, so it will certainly help, like if you guys have if you hit the like button. So technical nouns, which certification and member. Now second part of the question is, which certification helps? I have a list of certification on this YouTube channel. There are free certifications. So what you have to do is you have to choose what you like. For example, if you are going for connectivity side, then it's very important if you have to cover industrial network side of the trainings, and you have to cover like cybersecurity related trainings and certifications. Whatever I shared, it's not end of the world. There are a lot of other videos coming up. I was not feeling well. I would share an update video what happened, but for now I'm just sharing you like there's list of the opportunities that are actually available that I have to share, which I haven't shared yet. I would be definitely sharing opportunities related to control systems, cybersecurity, cloud, digitalization. So if you guys are connected with me on my on my Instagram, it would be very helpful for you. If you reach me on my Instagram, I would pass you the list straightforward. So that would definitely help you to, gain better certification. I had earned two certification in 2 days. I'm telling you myself, I'm trying certification. It's not the case that I'm sharing with you guys and I'm not doing it. I'm also doing different sort of a certification in these days. So almost in last 2 months, I had almost six certification. 2 months, six certifications. So like that, if you have to plan, what I did, I myself have divided my whole year in different certifications. So I would suggest you have to pick this right certification and select one at a time and start doing it. Definitely will help you. It will help you to, once you will get one certification, then you would have a courage and you can say confidence and you can say motivation to start another one. So getting the first certification is very important, and that definitely first certification motivation will drive to get more and more. I have many students who are actually connected with me on my LinkedIn profile. I'm getting number of the people sharing their achievements. I know a few names who are actually who have actually more than 8 9 certifications. So that's really of good motivation point, and it really make me happy, like you guys are actually learning from that free learning opportunities. Tomorrow, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I would be sharing cloud related certifications from one of the big company. These are actually authentic certifications. These are not only trainings. So if you guys would be connected maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I would be sharing that opportunity. And I would be bringing some industrial folks on this YouTube channel who would talk about industrial strengths. So if you guys have any question, then please, Mishra, you have actually maybe mentioned something and I missed it out. Please write it again. And if you guys have any question, then please let me know. It's really helpful if you guys can hit the like button if you haven't yet. Okay, questions, please. Okay. So, guys, do let me know your questions. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Walaikum salam. Thanks for joining, Isa. It's really welcome to live session. It's really motivating that you guys are there and asking the question. I would be waiting for your question and would love to answer your question. What I was saying that I would be bringing some industrial folks on the YouTube channel who would be talking about industry specific trends, and we would be talking what's in industry. So might be CEOs of different companies from different regions. Like maybe next interview, I'm telling you, it would be one of the person who is from, who is the CEO or owner of the company based in US, and he is the person who is, who had delivered many session in ISA, International Society of Automation, which is a big thing. So would be talking about would share that session. You can say a podcast, a technical podcast, and this weekend. So there would be two videos most probably on this weekend. One would be a technical tech show with one of the leaders. You can say one of the owner of the company based in US, who is dealing with who was actually automation engineer. Now he's dealing with industry 4.0. We have Isa. I'm newly joined the automation world. Okay, from where should I start as a rock? Okay, good question. If you're new to automation, it's not a big deal. What you can do is you can reach me on my Instagram. My Instagram information is in last video. I would guide you step by step which course you have to do. So don't worry, there are free learning opportunities available, and certifications are really certification from big companies. You don't need to pay to anyone. You just have to reach me on my Instagram. I would share with you a step by step learning opportunities. And if anyone who is new to automation, he want a guidance, he can reach me on my Instagram. My Instagram information is into the last video's description, a video that I shared about Microsoft. I would definitely reply on my Instagram. Courses for mechatronics engineers and job opportunities in Dubai. Aditya. Okay, mechatronics engineer is like, if you, okay, the automation field is for mechatronics engineers also, to be honest. So if you guys are mechatronics engineer, it's really, it definitely helps to get an automation, PLC, DCS and SCADA related courses. And also on parallel, you can do the robotics related courses. Aditya, reach me on my Instagram. I would share with you a list of opportunities in automation and robotics domain. Okay, so what difference process automation? What difference automation and automation engineer? Okay, this is very good question. Process automation engineer is related to the like if you guys are working in a process automation field. What I mean to say, if you're working in a process industry like oil and gas, petrochemical, fertilizer, power plant, these are all process industries. If you guys are working there, then that would be, you're controlling some sort of a process. So that would be process automation. Automation engineer is a generic term that can be working in some sort of a industry. For example, that can be some sort of testing environment. That can be some sort of control of some building. That can be control of robotics. So this is the automation engineer is a generic term, and process automation is the one that we are talking about, specific to controlling a process industry. Assalamu alaikum. How to learn robotics programming technical training through Abdullah? I have a list of the courses on robotics also, and PLC and DCS and SCADA. So reach me on my Instagram. My Instagram information is into the last video's description. So you will definitely get connected with me, and on Instagram I will share the opportunities. Okay. I have DCS and PLC. I already have a DCS and PLC certification. That's great. If you have, then that's very good. If we are an automation engineer, what kind of a job we get if we apply? Okay, automation engineer normally have different roles. If you're automation engineer, okay, guys who are actually watching this live, it certainly help if you guys are gonna like this session, so that more and more people can join this, because YouTube will give impression to more people if you guys will like this session. I'm not feeling 100% well. That's why there's very less smile on my face, and some sort of you might see very serious attitude in this session, because my throat is very bad, and I will share a separate video what happened to me in last days, and would definitely share that update video soon. Okay, if you have what kind of a job? Okay, as an automation engineer, you will get a maybe PLC role, PLC engineer role, DCS engineer, SCADA engineer, or you can say automation engineer. You can be a connectivity guy. You can be some sort of industry 4.0 engineer guy. What's your Insta ID? My Insta ID is into the last video's description. If you have watched Microsoft free internship opportunity, then if you go to the description of that specific video, you will get that. So reach me on there. I would definitely love to reply you guys. Would share all But by the way, it's like Noman, Nouman, official vlogs, VLOGS. It's my Instagram. I'm facing problem because I'm newly entered in automation. Jatan Sharma, what kind of the problem you are actually facing? Do let me know. Okay, please. I need a link how to get necessary certification. Okay, if anyone who is looking for links, please reach me on my Instagram. I would share with you all links I have. Okay, and if you want to get links from this YouTube channel, I have shared many free learning opportunities on this YouTube channel. You can also get into the comments. You can get into the latest uploads. You might have many opportunities there. Does learning IoT will be useful? How to learn it? This is very good question. Satish, I have one free course that would be online. So reach me on my, you know, Instagram. My Instagram information is into the last video's description. I would share the link of that course with you. Does COVID-19 affects automation field? And thank you for your detailed information about automation. Yes, COVID-19 have a solid impact on the job market. But when we talk about automation, it have a positive impact because now people would be looking for more automation because in COVID-19, those industries who were automated, they performed well. So that's why after COVID-19, more and more companies would be looking for fully automated operations or Industry 4.0 kind of a setup. And that's why there's a huge demand that would be in automation field. So if you guys have skills in PLC, DCS, SCADA, and HMI, and that would be definitely, and apart from it, if you have Industry 4.0 knowledge, and you have a cybersecurity knowledge, if you have a cloud related knowledge, and you have some sort of certification also, then definitely you would get a better job. Jaren saying that most of industry doesn't hire freshers. That's a good one. Um, yes, I know, Jaren Sharma, that most of the people actually look for experienced guys. But I have shared one internship opportunity from leading organization. I would be sharing more internship opportunities on this YouTube channel. If you guys would be connected here, you will get all that updates. If you're a fresher, then I highly recommend you to actually join Microsoft internship program, which I shared in my last upload on this YouTube channel. Apologies that my voice is low and I'm not feeling 110% well. That's why, might hear some sort of a different echo, or you can say lack of energy. Apologies for that. And appreciate if you guys will hit the like button so that more and more people can reach to this live session. 22 people, at least 22 likes. Waiting for it. Okay, it's already 16 and we have almost, you can say, 8 more likes. If you guys will hit the like button, then definitely it would motivate me. The problem is, who will hire a rocky fresher graduated with DCS and PLC certification, and I'm graduated as electronics and communication engineer? Yes, it's a big problem. Is I know that more and more companies are actually hiring for experienced people, but still there are opportunities for freshers. It's not the case. There are less opportunities, but there are opportunities. So get into the internship, get into free role. For example, ask the company that I don't need salary at the start, I need experience, and get an entry. Believe me or not, in later stage you would have full sort of recovery done. So don't panic. Whatever the situation you have, it will not last forever. and there is always a window of opportunity in whatever dark condition. So it certainly helps, like if you are motivated and trying for it. Okay, ji. I've done course about tech, robotics, programming, and I know PLC, HMI. What job role should I do? Abdullah, automation and especially robotics is one of the growing field. You can choose anyone. You can try getting into robotics if you have interest into that. The more important thing is what you love to do. What is ISA membership and how to get it? ISA membership is actually International Society of Automation. They have some sort of a free membership also, so that will help you to get latest publications in domain of control system. It can be some sort of a documents that are there, different standards related to control system. So if you have a membership, then you will definitely get that benefit. So how much we can earn as an automation field, it just depends where actually you are living in. If you're living in Dubai, you can earn around about $4,000 to $5,000. I don't have Insta, sir. Could I connect through a LinkedIn? Yes, you can, Satish, reach me on my LinkedIn. My LinkedIn information is Muhammad Noman, engineer Muhammad Noman. If I have a knowledge in PLC SCADA without certification, can I have a job? Yes, it's possible, but certification will give you a better chance. Thanks a lot, brother. I appreciate that. God bless you. My throat is feeling very, very bad. Like I have some sort of bad attack on throat side. So, guys, might be I need to have a water, and then we can start our discussion again, or we can continue the discussion again. Questions? Question: who actually have joined this session? Thank you very much for joining in, and appreciate if you guys will hit the like button. There's a like button. If you will hit, it would not detect any money from you. So, but it will definitely motivate me. Share free programming software. Yeah, very good question, Arun. Siemens have a free programming software related to PLC. You can reach on Siemens website. It's a TIA portal, and they might have a version 15 there that's free available there. You can download that software and start learning PLC and HMI. So you can reach the Siemens website and try downloading it. Okay, I hope I answered your question. Thank you very much for liking this, and it's already 20 likes. I said I had an experience of as an automation engineer in SC, and I have pregnancy break of 3 years. Where will I get a job? Yes, there's a very, very good chance that you will get a job, Lakshmi. There's not a problem. You can I have updated few courses that are free of cost. If you start learning that courses and get into track and add that into your CV and apply after this COVID-19 situation, then definitely you will get a better role, maybe better than what you had. Guys, like it, guys, like this, and make it at least to the 30, so that more and more people can get this live. You said as an auto, yes. It's not per annum. You can reach around about 4 to 5 based on experience. You said, okay. Yogi, you have some question and you can write it again. Maybe you have written it for some sort of correction. Make a tutorial on analog signal processing. Rakesh, I do have a one tutorial on analog signal processing. You can actually watch that. I had uploaded it while, maybe 1 year back. So just look into the PLC playlist, PLC training playlist. You will get that. Guys who are actually watching that, I had shared one internship opportunities for those who are freshers from Microsoft. Start learning from Microsoft, that free learning opportunity, and you will get a certificate at the end of that. I have and for more details you can watch last video. I have completed my certification course after my diploma. Do I eligible for job as an automation engineer? Is it good for me to start my career with diploma? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Start if you're in Middle East, it doesn't matter. It matters where does not doesn't matter that much. I know many TIE students, diploma holders, who were working as an engineers. So start looking into that. Apply more and more. You will definitely get a better role, guys. It really helps. Like 20 people, at least 22 likes. Try to download TIA portal from Siemens Industries, but I can not work for. Yeah, it's limited. It's for 21 days. Try getting with a different ID. You will be able to download it again. Does data science have a use in industrial automation, or how does I use it? Okay, yes, data science is very important whenever if you talk about industrial automation and industry trends, but you don't need to be a master of it. You need to understand the basics of it. From where I can find the training of ABB AC 800M? I have one video on that, Bashu. You can watch that. So you said as an automation engineer can earn. It's per month, Ahmad. It's per month. In Siemens e-learning, I can't access TIA 15 training. It seems the course is locked. Okay, I will confirm it and will share that. SG Singapore, my company name is Synth Technology. That's good. That's good. You guys have any question? Okay, 22 likes. Good. I'm happy that average people were actually around about 22. So we're watching throughout the live session. So it's really motivating that 22 likes. Good. Any other question? Please reply. So, mommy, I don't have your question. Can you? I don't have any question from your end, Swami. Shruti Swami, you can write your comment again. Thank you for your response. Can you make a brief explanation on Siemens TIA web server along with the web page design and also remote web viewer access? Yes, I will do that. I'm working in charge as an operator in oil and gas company. I have a BTech diploma. Okay, I have experience of how to get a job change in Dubai. That's good. I was saying that add more and more certification, because in Middle East they don't actually they value the certification much. I've been I've been a good experience of Middle East, so I know that from my past experience. Sometimes it's really helpful that if you guys have a certification. So it's better. I highly recommend you to get a certification. Which is the best SCADA software freely available and can able to connect to the actual PLC. Abdul Wajid, there's one step-by-step guide I have uploaded on this YouTube channel. It's WinTR SCADA. You can download that and start learning. How to get a job in Siemens Process Automation. Have done internship as a DCS engineer for 1 year in Yokogawa. Okay, that's good. Getting a job is as a process automation engineer, you have to apply continuously and use the LinkedIn in a better way. I have one video how actually you can use the LinkedIn to hunt a job. I highly recommend you to go and watch that video so that you have you know better confidence. And there is some tricks on LinkedIn. If you would contribute on the LinkedIn, you will definitely be, you will get a better benefit. Anyone who want to eat something? What I mean to say is, if you will post on LinkedIn different, control system related posts, more people get, you have more following, and more people watch your profile. You will, have a greater chance that your profile would be visible to more recruiters. So try using that trick. Is SQL, Visual Basic, LabVIEW, and many other like them are important to us as an automation engineer? Not that much. Siemens Protection take freshers. I'm from India. Yes, they take trainees, so you can try that. Okay, guys. So you are guiding. Don't give up. Please make videos. I will not give up, guys. I am making the content, and it's really helpful if you guys like the videos and share it. Because can you share your journey, how you started career? Yes, I will make that video, Yuki, on when I will reach to 100K. I'm already working on that, but when I will reach to 100K, I will share that my life story. How I can learn SCADA PLC. Okay, Chukla, you can reach me to my. You can watch actually latest uploads. I have actually uploaded how you can get free trainings and certification from the top companies. I'm eating something on parallel because my throat was not 100%. How can I learn PLC SCADA? So if you guys have any question, you're feeling you're confused, you can reach me on my Instagram. My Instagram information, you can get it actually from last video. Thank you for your reply. Glad to see you in good mental health. What do you think? Like I was mental before? Just kidding. Sir, tell me. I'm telling you, yaar. You are looking good. Chukla, thank you. Hey man, good to see you back. Hope all is well with you. Yeah, I would share an update video. Guys who are watching this, it's really helpful that if you will hit the like button, because that's a motivation for me. Sir, I have a basic knowledge of PLC and SCADA, my all experience in power plant operation and maintenance, but now I wanted to switch to automation. What should I do? I always recommend go for certification and training. I've uploaded many free learning opportunities from top ranked companies of the world. It certainly will help you if you guys would go and watch that. So check loss uploads. You will definitely get to know many free learning opportunities. I did diploma in instrumentation and control engineering. Good. There is no end of learning. I have a certification of expert as a SCAD expert from two different companies, but in last 2 months I had it almost 6 certifications. I got a job in top rank, it's the company of the world, but still, when you talk about automation, but there is a no end of learning. Continue learning. That would definitely help you. Good. Any other question? How can I command in SCADA? Good. I have uploaded one video that is free learning opportunity from Cytek SCADA. You can get that and start learning that. and if you feel any thing confusing to enroll in that training, reach me on my Instagram. As an automation engineer, what is your daily routine? You guys, in these days I'm working in like cybersecurity, industrial IoT. I started as my career in automation. Now I'm more into industrial IoT and cybersecurity, OT cybersecurity. Yeah, these courses are free. Thanks, guys, for watching this live session, and appreciate if you would hit the like button. Mohit Bhatt, would you say something embedded system? Can you say something about? Should I go for it? What about the average income? I would not suggest Mohit for you to go in that domain, to be honest. But depends if you're in, European region, then might be it's different. I'm not sure where you're, currently living in. That's totally dependent on that. Guys, my throat is not 100%, so appreciate if you hit the like button, and then we'll catch you later. And appreciate if you watch the last video and share with all those who are actually freshers, so that more and more people who are actually, a lot of people actually have one issue, that they even don't get a chance for internship and they are not getting right opportunities. So I've shared one video about how to enroll in internship opportunity from Microsoft. Go ahead and watch that and share with all those who are actually freshers, so that in current COVID-19 situation, those who are actually looking for the skills, they get a skill sitting at home. It's the remote online internship opportunity. You don't need to go to office. You can get it benefit from working as in home. So we'll be ending this session with hopes that you guys will be connected to this session and you would be liking the content from IT and Automation Academy. There's 29 likes. I think one addition would be, that would make it 30. That would be really motivating. I'm really curious about industrial IoT and industrial cybersecurity. Can you make those videos also? Yes, I would do that. Thanks, guys, for connecting. And I think I had a good session with you, almost 45 minutes. My energy is down. I'm not feeling 100%. So maybe next time we would have a long session, even longer than that. It certainly motivates if you will hit the like button and end this session. That's it. Take care. Bye.